What if your next self-help breakthrough didn't come from a best-selling author, but from AI? AI isn't just transforming tech, it's redefining how we learn, grow, and even heal. In today's video, we re-diving into how AI's becoming the next big thing in self-help, giving you insights personalized just for you, why traditional self-help often fails. Self-help books are powerful, but here's the truth. Most give you general advice that may not apply to your exact situation. We read them, feel inspired, then fall off track. Not because the advice is bad, but because it's not personalized. That's where AI changes the game. How AI makes self-help smarter. With tools like ChatGPT, you can now get customized advice based on your goals, habits, and mindset. Want to build confidence? Ask, give me a 5-day confidence building plan tailored to someone with social anxiety. Need help with discipline? Prompt, act as a productivity coach and design a habit tracker based on my daily routine. The result? Tailored insights in seconds. Personalized growth with AI tools can now simulate therapists, coaches, and mentors all in your pocket. They remember your past inputs, track your progress, and offer reminders, reflections, and strategies unique to you. You're not following someone else's path, you're designing your own. AI plus self-help book mashups. Here's the best part. You can now combine classic wisdom from books with a size personalization. Take a book like Atomic Habits. Use ChatGPT to say, summarize the top 5 takeaways for building habits, then apply them to a fitness goal for someone who struggles with consistency. It's like having a life coach 24/7. Now the advice isn't just helpful, it's actionable. Bonus, a powered journaling and reflection. You don't just consume knowledge, you apply it immediately. Apps like Replica, Notion, AI, and Mindera allow you to journal and reflect with guided prompts, emotional feedback, and even mindset scoring. All AI-driven. The future of self-help is interactive. Instead of reading and forgetting, you'll learn and adapt. Your growth is interactive, consistent, and customized. Recap and call to action. Let's recap. Traditional self-help is inspiring, but it makes it personal. ChatGPT can coach you based on your exact goals. AI apps guide you through daily progress and mindset growth. You can mix powerful book ideas with custom action plans. The future of self-help is not just about motivation, it's about transformation powered by technology. Try this. Open ChatGPT and type, act as a mindset coach. I want to improve my focus, sleep, and confidence. Build me a daily plan. You'll be shocked at how practical and specific the results are. Follow for more powered growth tools because becoming your best self is no longer limited by the pages of a book.